Hello and welcome to a Khmer Healthy Cooking. Today we are going to cook banana flour soup.
What the ingredient that we use to cook?
The ingredient we have tofu, banana flour, water, green onion, chili, salt, soy sauce, galangal and lemongrass and garlic.
How do we make it?
First we turn on the fire and we put a little bit of water and put garlic in and fry it until it fragrance. When garlic is fragrant, and we add galangal and lemongrass. Then we add tofu. Sam, can you pass me tofu? And banana flour. And keep it until it boils. Keep it 8 minutes.
Why you use tofu instead of meat?
Because meat have a lot of battery and tofu we make from soybean. Now it's boiling. Then we add salt and soy sauce. Now we turn off the fire and then we serve it. Son, can you pass me the bowl? Then the last thing we sprinkle the green onion. And the last thing we put the chili the top of it. I hope you will try this at home, and goodbye and chum trip li.